Hi everyone, it's Jessica here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing two pastel color themed birthday cards featuring the numbers and letter stamps from Stampin' Up. The number set is called Number of Years and the letter set is called Letters for You. I'll also be using the Cake Soiree stamp set as the main images of my card. So let's get started. First I'm going to use Spring Pansy VersaMagic to stamp my letters. VersaMagic is my go-to when it comes to pastel colors, and I really like their chalk ink properties. They really help bring out the details in these stamps because they're not just solid letters. They actually have a kind of texture to them, and I think it reminds me of the watercolor finish. After stamping, I'm using the coordinating dies to cut the letters out. I actually die cut a set of letters from fun foam as well and adhere them together to give the letters more dimension. Next, I'm going to heat emboss the cake image, but before I stamp anything, I always remember to use the anti-static powder tool. Then I'll stamp the cake image with my VersaMark ink pad onto watercolor paper. After that, I'll use the silver embossing powder from Kuretake and heat it up with my heat gun. And now we're ready to watercolor the image. Today I'll be using a couple of my Zig Clean Color Real Brush pens, and all of the colors I use will be listed in the description box below and over on my blog. I'm just doing simple shading for today's coloring. I'll speed up the coloring process and I'll catch you guys when I'm done. I did die cut the cake image with its coordinating die as well, and while I have the big shot, I'm going to emboss the card front with this really pretty embossing folder. It's a super quick and easy way to add interest to the background of your card. Today I'm actually going to use the deboss side instead of the emboss side, just for a little twist. Then I adhered a strip of pattern paper, and now we're ready to make the ruffled ribbon part. It's actually simpler than it looks. First you need a piece of strong dry adhesive like the Kuretake, and then you're just going to use your fingers to fold the ribbon up and down. I like to use my fingertip as a shape guide, and I actually want the folds to be a little messy, so it really doesn't take much effort to make the folds because you don't have to worry about making them identical. Finally, I adhered all of the elements together and my card is finished. I did go back and stamp the happy sentiment using the cake Soiree set, and I also created a blue and green version using the same concept. This one is also a standard A2 card size. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's cards, and I hope to see you very soon.